Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change the battery in a Ford Bronco key fob. First, ensure you have a fresh CR2450 3-volt coin battery ready for replacement. You will also need a small, flathead screwdriver or a similar thin prying tool to carefully open the key fob casing. Having these items on hand will make the process smooth and efficient, allowing you to quickly restore full functionality to your key fob. The first step is to access the emergency key. Look for a small button on the side of your key fob. Press and hold this button firmly, then gently pull the physical key blade out from the bottom of the fob. This emergency key is crucial for the next step, as it helps in safely opening the key fob casing without causing damage. Now, with the emergency key removed, you will see a small slot. Insert the tip of the emergency key or your small flathead screwdriver into this slot and gently twist or pry to separate the two halves of the key fob. Once open, locate the old CR2450 battery and carefully remove it. Then, insert your new CR2450 battery, ensuring the positive side, which usually has writing, faces upwards. To finish, carefully align the two halves of your key fob and press them together until they securely snap into place. Next, slide the emergency key back into its designated slot until you hear a click, confirming it is properly seated. Finally, test all the buttons on your key fob to ensure it is working perfectly with its new battery. You've successfully replaced your Ford Bronco key fob battery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.